Fake doctor arrested for alleged visa fraud. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who claimed to be a medical doctor and allegedly defrauded and collected money to provide a US visa has been arrested and charged. The accused has been identified as Andrew Clark, a 57-year-old laborer of Spring Farm, St. James. Clark is answering to charges of uttering forged documents, obtaining money by false pretense, and possession of forged documents. It's alleged that on November the 7th, the complainant visited the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was informed by Clark that he was a medical doctor at the institution. The complainant reportedly told Clark that he could secure a US visa for him at the cost of $200,000. The accused and the complainant allegedly met again some time after at the hospital, where Clark collected the agreed sum of money. A report was made to the Spanish Town Police after the time agreed for the delivery of the visa elapsed and the complainant was unable to get in touch with Clark. The accused was arrested at the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was allegedly found with identification suggesting that he worked at Southern Regional Health Authority. Checks made by investigators reportedly revealed that Clark was not a medical doctor. A date is to be finalized for his court appearance. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.